Yo, good evening. I'm just here to remind you that mwaka umeanza, so go write your own goals. Yeah, go write your own goals. Focus on your goals. Goals ni kama magnet, they will pull you on the right track. Yeah, go focus on your own goals. Yeah, dream big. Remember, people without vision perish. Ama wanasemaje kwenye Bible? Yeah, go write your own goals. As the year, venye mwaka inaanza, pray for your own year. Pray for it, pray for the nation. Yeah, there's a lot that will happen this year, and some of you will make it this year, some of you will die this year. It is what it is. So I just hope I'll see you the other year. But go make it big, go big, go big, go big, think big, do things bigly. I don't know. I think unafaa weke bigly kwa the dictionary. Yeah, go big, go hard. Let no one stop you. Be unstoppable. Yeah, that's the price of being the greatest. Don't settle for average. There's a lot of things you haven't explored inside you. You just have to go big. Yeah, go hard. Like this year you can go the hardest, alafu next year upumzike. Ushanielewa? So it's your time. Najua watu wengine waliandika last year, nothing says go happen. Maybe ni kwa sababu focus kwa goals zako, ama circumstance, ama it was not the right time. Yeah. But this year everything will happen. Trust me. Anyway, it's already evening. Have a good night.